plus 2 accountancy, non-profit organization, exclusively for CBSE, also for degree and CA students. How to compute the material consumed? For example, in the case of a charity hospital, they would have purchased medicines, used. How much amount should be taken in income and expenditure account? Similarly, sports material, stationery, all those things. So here I am going to do a few problems. The first problem is on the board, computation of material consumed. That is, here you are asked to find out the cost of medicine used with the data given. Opening stock of medicine is given, creditors for medicine is given, creditors for medicine is given. In addition to that, cash paid to creditors is given. Assume all purchases are on credit basis and find out the medicines consumed. First, let us prepare Sunday creditors account. Creditors for medicine. So, opening balance of creditors. Opening balance is 4,60,000. Closing balance 7,10,000. To cash 53,72,300. This is closing balance. So if you get the total 60,82,300, 60,82,300. So the balance 56,22,000 is credit purchase of medicines. Now we must know how much amount of medicines were used. What is the opening stock? Opening stock of medicines 2,20,000. Add purchases. There is no cash purchase, so purchases, credit purchase only. 56,22,300. What is the closing stock? So the stock remains. How much remains? 1,70,000. Therefore, the remaining medicines were used during this year. So, medicines consumed during the year. So, this will come in income and expenditure account. And in the balance sheet, closing stock will appear and creditors also will appear. So, the first problem I have explained how to compute the material consumed. Now, let me go to the next example. Now, second problem, stock of medicines, 31st March 2020, 50,000. At the end of the next year, 125% of opening stock. So, 50,000 is the opening stock, 125% of 50,000. $625, that is 62,500. Instead of giving directly, they are given like that. So this you can calculate first, 62,500. Second, 70,000 is the closing balance as on 31st March 2021. As on 31st March 2020, they said that 25% of the closing creditors, that means that this one of creditors of, or you can make it 2021. 25% of the creditors are 2021. That means the creditors on the last year 70,000, 25%, 25 sevens are 175, another 2 zeros, 17,500. So creditors for medicine opening balance is 17,500. Cash paid given as 2,80,000. Closing creditors 70,000. The total 3,50,000. 3,50,000. Therefore, this will be 3,32,500 is the credit purchase of medicines. So, credit purchase of medicine is 3,32,500. Opening stock of medicine is 50,000. Closing stock is given and we have followed as 62,500. Now add this, you will get 382. Out of that 62 goes 3,20,000 is the amount of medicines consumed during the year. Now I will do one problem for how to compute the stationery used, similar to this, but let me just do that one problem. The next problem, computation of stationery consumed. 31st March 2020 and 31st March 2021, for the 2 years the particulars are given. Stock, opening stock 3,200, closing stock 2,830, creditors for stationery, opening 4,300, you put it here. Closing 3,740, you put it here. Advance paid is put it on this side, and this amount you put it here. So this is the opening creditors and this is the amount of advance paid. So this is appearing here, this 4,400 will appear on the debit side. Similarly, the closing stock for the stationery creditors for stationery 3,740 and the amount paid as advance, that will appear here. In addition to that, the given 6,260 is the cash paid. So now total up and the missing figure is 5,730 is your credit purchase. Now what is this amount of stationery consumed in the year? So opening stock of stationery 3,200, credit purchase 5,730, closing stock of stationery 2,830, ₹6,100 worth of stationery is used during the year. Same type, in the same way, whenever they give creditors, open the creditors account to find out the credit purchase. After finding the credit purchase, you go for the opening stock plus credit purchase minus closing stock. That's all. Similarly, for your sports material also you will be doing it. So more problems you practice. In case of difficulties, you just write down here. I will try to clarify your doubts. Thank you for watching.